Hey guys, welcome to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 guys, generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the TPMS is located guys. That's for the tire pressure system, where that fuse is located. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located, why it's important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically we're going to demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have specifically here, but even if you have a different year, that generation, video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes guys, one is under the hood right here above the radiator fan, but we don't need this one. We need to find the one that is guys, okay, the interior fuse box that's inside the truck, okay, under the dash, kind of like under the glove box, in the kick panel, in the footwell on the passenger side right there. You remove that cover, open it, and you see your fuse box looks like that. We took a picture, zoomed it, so we can show you everything in a great detail. Now let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse guys that we'll need to check for the TPMS, for the tire pressure system guys, if you come, that's the left row right here, we'll need to come in the second row from left to right, first, second, right there. And if you come from the bottom to top, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count the spot. You have number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as fuse number 26. This 5M fuse in our case, that's the one for the TPMS system guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.